Hi, good afternoon and good evening. Very good evening and good morning for this people who are in abroad. This is the first day in Q&A. Q&A generally consists of a brief recap of 5 to 10 minutes about the morning session, and then we'll going to clarify your doubts on the content or whatever the doubts you'll get while going through this content or while doing the homework, that self-reflection, what you can call. Generally this is from 6 to 7, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. for 1 hour. Today, to clarify your doubts and to recap, our facilitator is Shivashankar Kanteti. So he is one of the founder member of CHDHC. He is a seeker, practitioner, and a teacher who is more focused on inward journey and personal mastery. He works in the area of educational, personal mastery, and human well-being. Particularly over last 7 years, his work has been in studying adjoining about universal human values, positive psychology, spiritual sciences. So all these things, and he's very he has been attending the session since 2008-10 period. Before this, he completed his B.Ed. He completed his MA education from Ajim Premji University, and he's a co-founder of Viridas, an NGO, startup NGO, and today he will clarify our doubts. He will he will facilitate this session. Shiva, over to you.
Thank you, Srinu. Namaste, everyone. So hope you enjoyed morning session. So I will try to brief in 10 minutes what Suman covered morning, and I will add little more to a couple of aspects. Then we will take the questions. Srinu, can you make me co-host? So Q&A, the first day, second day, the Q&A would be little challenging, because to compare to other days, what is that? We haven't introduced much content. Many questions you ask will be answered in the content. So what I will do is that I will, whatever the questions which is related to content will be covered tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I will park those questions. Whatever the questions which is related to the content already covered and related to that, I will take it. So it's like, consider that there is a sequence in mathematics. To teach multiplications, first you teach additions. Before that you teach numbers. Before that we teach language. Like that there is a sequence. So if you are asking some algebra kind of question, I need to wait. I need to park it till the time we introduce that. So that's the rationale. So please cooperate in that part. So Jeevan Vidya, it's a 7-day workshop. So in day 1, the first thing what we say is that whatever we are sharing, consider it as a proposal. एक प्रस्ताव के जैसा ले लेना. Either we are not saying it, it is the truth, and don't conclude it is truth. What we request is that don't accept it on its face value, even it is appealing. At the same time, don't reject it on its face value because it is not thinking, relating with your belief system, whatever you have been thinking about. Please try to verify in my life is what does it mean. That's what verification, self-verification process, what Suman introduced morning. That verification is very, very important. So that in this process, the dialogue starts between me and what I really want and what I'm doing. This inner dialogue, starting this inner dialogue is the sole purpose of this workshop. We are not, so might be someone might have briefed this. We won't teach much anything which you don't know. But what's that? What's the new thing? What you can look for? Now this gap, what we really want and what we end up doing, what we end up seeing in my family and outside. This gap you might be a little aware. Just you ask yourself, if this gap is there in your life, that negative emotion, that the emotion which is not comfortable to you, it's coming as a spark. Without your control, it is like becoming a wildfire. You are reacting, that you are agitating, sometimes inside, sometimes outside. When consequences are not that big, we may react outside, at home, with our own children, with close friends, relatives, in day-to-day conversations when we are working. Is this happening or not with you? The second thing, we know many things. We know it's good to get up early morning and do exercise. It's good to take care of health, need to eat the healthy food. And we need to take care of our people. We need to talk in a way that it helps the other. We know many things, but are we doing it? There's a gap, what we know and what we are doing. Second, many things we are doing, it's not that we are not doing wrong things, but am I being that person? Is it embodied that? Irrespective of the situation, am I able to make the choices that is constructive for myself and the other? At least myself. Or you're doing such good, you're feeling good when situations are calm, but whenever there's a challenging situations, going out of the road. Why this gap? If these questions are alive with you, and if these questions also there in your life, then naturally you see that in your life, even outside, today morning, what someone is discussed, clearly what is naturally acceptable, what is happening. You can see there is a gap. At the level of self, there is a gap. At the level of body, yes, there is a gap. We want to be healthy, but how our choices are, is it towards ill health or towards the health? In our interpersonal relationships, this gap, we can see it. In society and nature, we can see that. You might have seen clearly in that discussion morning. Now, this might have concern for everyone. It's so painful because we don't want to be in that state. But someone feeling helpless, someone seeing that, no, this is how reality, this is how life, no, in life, sukh dukh, dono hoga. And there are many theories, we create and we are believing to carry on. But if this really matters, this gap, we need to address, then definitely these 7 days or next 6 days would be meaningful for you. It's a good investment. So if this gap is not there for you, and we say that it's a waste of time, it may not much make sense. But if the gap is there, then definitely we should think about certain proposals. So another thing, if at all we ask that, why this reaction, this negative emotion is coming? We want to be calm, we want to be happy, healthy. Where it is coming from? Is it the other person? Is it the situation outside? Or situation outside may be there as a trigger, me who is reacting. What's the right thing? For example, this classical example, you see that when we touch a rope, at night time, or when suddenly when you touch it with hand, if you are feeling that afraid, your heart is beating like 80, 90 speed, and your palpitations are coming, sweating is coming. What does it mean? That you might have assumed it something differently than what it is. Either it may be snake or it may be something. You see this reality, mostly it happens, no? Because of the rope that hesitation, that negative feeling, that everything, that unrest state has come, or because of my assumption that it might be something. So generally, what's the law is that when we project it in a wrong way, that throws us out of this balance or out of that desired state. Seeing things as they are helps us to handle it. Yes, it may be real snake. Should I become panic, or should I handle that so that I can save myself and do the proper thing? That ability to see things as it is. How it is, like, on what basis say that is like that? What are the proposals? That's what this workshop we try to explore, is a proposal. So why this way? Why not some other way? So it's not like we read your profiles and your thing, why you are attending. I think you people are like well read. So in academic life, many people are well qualified and like well experienced as well. It's not that like we don't know things, but most of the time what happens, when we read a book, we feel very good. We want to decide that no, living like this is much better. We tried that things, but unknowingly our conditioned mind, what we from childhood onwards, from wherever, whatever the exposure we have, whatever the guidance we got, what we've been repeatedly practicing again and again, this become a pattern in our head. That's why attending this kind of workshops also, many people attend many thousands of workshops. No? Is it really transformed us? It may be helped us, but still why there's problems? When you ask it, you can clearly see our an analogy. Like now it's a rainy season. You see in villages or any mud roads, if a bullock cart goes with that iron strip, it forms that strips on the road. Even the new vehicle, new bullock cart back it's coming, if it wants to go to a new path, it cannot go, because that pattern, that repeatedly what you have done again and again with your worldview or with your actions, that throws us back to your previous, your conditioned thing. Hence, we need a different kind of awareness, practice, and proposals to come out of that rut, what we are struck into. So that's where we thought this self-verification process is one tool may help to more aware about what is that I'm again and again struck into. And it's also an enabling tool to come out of it. So the tool is that anything we say, consider it's a proposal, verify, is it naturally acceptable to you? Also verify, is it leading to mutual happiness to when you are behaving with the other person? When you are working with the nature, is it leading to mutuality? Then only you consider that as a right understanding or samaj. Don't consider that much before it. So what are those proposals? In this course, at least we spend more time in self and the relationships and little time at the society and nature. It's an introductory course, but this is our life, no? Where our life is related to me, my family members, the extended family, office, or wherever I'm related to, society and nature. What is my role? Is my choices are helping me to be healthy? For example, my choice of food, choice of thing, or it is not, it is harming myself. Whatever, like when we say right understanding, whatever it is helping you to add value to your life, to be happy, whatever your fundamental desire. That what we are saying, that right understanding. So that you can be harmony at individual level. You can live with harmony in family and relationships and society and nature. When we say right understanding, with that clarity, you are able to live harmony. That's what we are saying, right understanding. If something is not leading to harmony, then I need to ask, is it my conditioning or is that how it is? So again, I'm reiterating, this is not the course of giving some sermons at that. It is a journey we are undergone. If you verify every time, what will happen? What you can expect end of this course? We become better. Become better at our awareness about ourselves, our own emotions, thoughts, our beliefs. We are able to investigate if something is not working in my life, why? And with the proposals, can give you what is valuable to us so that you can evaluate yourself, so that you can have a new choices. You can make a choices that really helpful for your life. So this is the competencies we build in this course. Hope this journey will be so fruitful. So I'm stopping it here. So any questions regarding the content is discussed morning is welcome.
Sir, excuse me, I would like to ask a question.
Sir, please.
We
Your
were
name?
discussing, Mahendra, I am Mahendra.
Mahendra, go ahead.
Yeah. So we were discussing with some examples, and in the morning we came across an example, a tit for tat. If someone cheats you, you try to cheat him back. And there was another option. Even if he cheats you, you stay honest to him, even if it gives you a loss. So in that situation, so if I don't cheat him, I stay honest, I cannot honestly say that I would be happy. Okay, and I cheat him back, I get a temporary satisfaction कि उसने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया, मैंने वापस कर दिया, अपना थोड़ा सा दिल में ठंडक मिला. तो वो एक नेचुरली एक होता है, मतलब ये थोड़ा ठंडक आती है कि ठीक है यार वो सामने वाला, और बाय एनी अदर मीन्स अगर सामने वाले को कुछ परेशानी होती है तो अपने को कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा रिलीफ मिलता है कि यार उसने अपने साथ ऐसा किया, देखो वो अभी तकलीफ में है. बट इज इट द राइट अप्रोच, और अपने को उसको दुखी देख के शुड आई बी सैड, और आई मीन थोड़ा सा क्लैरिटी चाहिए मेरे को वहां पे.
Okay. So classical question, sir. So how you feel like when, who is that person? Are you related to that person?
I mean, if you're going to personally, yeah, very closely related.
Okay. So now you think that he cheated you?
I know for sure.
Okay, you know for sure.
Yeah.
Okay. So before that, he was very much is a relative. Is like he's connected to you.
Okay. You want the true facts? So before that, I didn't even know him.
Okay.
Relationship bhi bana on the basis of a cheat. Okay, now you get the picture.
So by cheating him back, you want to be happy?
I don't say by cheating him back I want to be happy. By not cheating him, I am certainly not happy.
Okay. So do you know? You tell me. Do you want to really cheat him?
I don't know. I don't want to really cheat him, but I don't want to be seen as being a pushover also.
No, but first you tell me, do you want to be happy first?
I want to be happy.
Clear, na?
Yep.
Do you think that you get happiness by hurting him?
No.
Clear, na?
Yeah.
Now you are telling that if he doesn't get hurt, then you feel bad.
No, I mean, I don't do anything. I just take it in my life and I don't react in any way. And they start taking me for granted every time. So that makes me feel bad.
Yes, you need to do something.
Yeah,
You felt you lost something, you need to communicate or you need to do something.
yeah.
No one is stopping, na? Please go ahead. What is the problem there?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
No, what's the problem in that? You do something.
Do what? वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
Let's see, sir. Let's see in this course कुछ समझ है ना, if in this 7 दिन में कुछ समझ में आ गया तो देख लेंगे.
Sure.
First ask yourself, yes, definitely I need to do something, but is the same what other he done to me or something else? Ask this question first. So what is the evidence that I have the clarity in that relationship, in that interaction? You know something, you know what is good, or you also don't know what is the good to do.
What is the right thing to do? I don't know.
That's what I mean. Is that right?
I know what people say. Okay, what people say is good. That of course I know.
Okay.
You show the other cheek. You stay silent. You take it in your stride. जो है उससे खुश रह जाओ. All that blah 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 वो सब मालूम है. But I cannot honestly say कि I am happy with whatever it is.
Good that you are able to see that you also don't know what is the right thing to do. That's the starting point to seek, sir. To seek, that's the starting point. If you think, I know it, I know what is the right thing to do, then please go ahead. But if you are not able to see that, what was the right thing to do in that case, then definitely there's a possibility to work on it. Let's see, in this course, these proposals may help you. When relationship starts, there are certain proposals will come.
Okay.
Definitely it will talk to you.
Okay.
Please bear with me.
Sure,
I only come back that session.
Sir, इतने साल से bear कर लिया, अभी एक हफ्ता कोई बड़ी बात नहीं.
एक हफ्ते नहीं है, just कुछ घंटे, like we spending only
Okay,
15
got
hours.
it. Yes, sir.
Yes. No, definitely. We'll get back to you.
Sure,
Any
sir. I
question?
don't think anyone minds अगर बीच में if we talk in Hindi or should it be in English continuously, because there may be people who do not know Hindi. I don't know about the others. Please let us have that also in clarity.
Yes. We also don't know much Hindi, so we will talk in English only most of the time.
Okay. So I'll stick to English.
Sir.
May I ask?
Sir, please, madam.
Actually, this is the extension of the same question that sir has asked. I'm in a dilemma that can a person be always in a same mood? Like when you have mentioned the 3 checks, at times it is not possible to be right in every time from those 3 checks. But the person is vary, na? His mood is vary with the circumstances. You never be in a linear mood. So is it right to be fluctuation, or to be right, to have a right understanding, we need to be linear? Is it like you want to say?
So first you tell me, madam, do you want to change your behavior, like change your feeling, your mood or everything from person to person, or you want to be constant in the feeling level?
The ideal parameter is definitely you should not be changed. The ideal purpose. But being a human being.
Let's go step by step.
Okay, I'll be quiet.
Do you want to be swatantra or paratantra? Do you want to decide what you do by yourself, or do you want to get in every time determined by others' behavior?
Definitely from my side only, swatantra.
Clear, na?
Yeah.
Let's clear that. What is the objective? Okay.
Okay.
I want to be swatantra. My remote control should be with me. Isn't it? Now what is the question? You are saying that if other person is behaving like this, how I should? Now this, if every person, if my behavior is changing, now you have to ask that, who is deciding what to do? Is it me or someone else?
Okay.
am I really aware that what matters to me in when I'm reacting, when I'm saying something?
Hmm.
So you need to ask this question. Na?
Okay.
You are clear that you need to be swatantra.
Yes.
You are
Yes.
clear that you should not be, you don't want to get disturbed by the other.
Yes.
Huh. Now you decide whether by triggering by others triggers should change your behavior,
Hmm.
or you should be able to decide what is your behavior to the other in any kind of situation.
One more thing here. I'm
So
interrupting
this
you.
course, what we are aiming is that the two things. One is the samaj part, second is
Hmm.
awareness.
Hmm.
Most of the times what is happening,
Hmm.
we know what is better thing to do, but
Hmm.
at that time we lost our awareness. वो ध्यान नहीं है ना,
Hmm.
then our subconscious mind takes over. Your conditioning is there, आपका मान्यता,
Hmm.
it is taking over and you are doing it.
Hmm.
That's not also is not a problem, but after that, are you regretting or not?
Definitely, the guilt comes.
Most of the times, check that. "Arey, yaar, I shouldn't have done like that. I shouldn't have say like that."
90% time. 90%.
You see, mostly this is where we feel this pain comes from. Either we are feeling regret or we are feeling sorry.
Hmm.
But after action, it is coming. Na? "Arey, yaar, aisa nahi karna tha."
Yes, exactly.
When you develop the clarity,
Hmm.
samaj, and the awareness,
Hmm.
sajakata, we
Hmm.
call this. When these two abilities helps me
Hmm.
to make the choice not in an instinctive manner.
Hmm.
Make the choice is a conscious choice.
Hmm.
I may talk in assertive manner,
Hmm.
but I am deciding it. Na?
Hmm.
Right now, most of the time, are you deciding or just it's happening?
It is impulsive reaction always. I'll be truthful, like it is an impulsive
Ha,
reactions.
ha. It's okay if our heartbeat is happening involuntarily, it's okay. If our kidney functioning, it's okay. Okay.
Okay.
It's voluntarily, it's okay. If our
Hmm.
breath is happening involuntarily, it's okay.
Hmm.
But our thoughts, our feelings, our words, if this is also happening involuntarily,
Hmm.
definitely we need to do something, na?
Hmm.
Hai ki nahi?
Hanji. Yes, exactly.
You are in the right place.
Yes, I know. Thank you.
Mahen, Sunil Gupta ji, please.
Hello, sir. Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste, everyone. It's not, I would not say it is a question, but it's more like, thoughts that are there. And I want to just share it with you that, I am 30 years of age and I am at the point of life, where half of the life I've lived and half of the life tentatively I have, remaining. And, we learn from our journey. So there are a lot of things that we learn from what has happened to us, and what life teaches us a lot. And it's not like a linear line. There are always ups and downs, and everything, even the failures teaches us a lot, and that's what makes us the person we are. And I mean, the identity, when we talk about nature, when we talk about family, everything, I mean, it's a fabric that holds each one of us together. And we so I'm just talking about particularly about presently uh, uh, I am in a situation that I've been thinking for a long period of time, that I take things, I mean, I expect that these things should happen like this, or I create expectation, and when I'm not able to fulfill those, then comes anxiety, then comes a lot things in my, I mean, life just go haywire, and I lose that peace, I lose that harmony. And so first, and that is also to do with I'm not I'm not living authentic life, because I have to act in a situation I am. If I'm with family, then I can't be totally honest. I'll have to behave in a certain way. If I am at workplace, I have to go act as per my work colleagues. So I feel that I'm not, fully myself, and that kind of creates a conflict between myself, the first sphere. So unless until, I'm sorry, I'm just stretching it, but I wanted to put so that जब मैं खुद ही I'm not myself fully, then I would not be able to live a happy life, and to become someone who lives a life who by being authentic himself, it is really difficult because there are lot many issues. I mean that I want to understand how do I find silver line that most importantly I want to be myself. So I'm not able to achieve that. Thank you. Sorry for keeping it so short. Oh, sorry.
No problem.
Making it long.
No
Sorry.
problem. We are all in that some journey.
Hmm.
Sunilji, like now I want to ask you back that questions. Na? First of all, many things you concluded. Please don't conclude. It is difficult. Failures will teach many things. Many assumptions are there. Now, please examine whatever the assumptions you are holding. Now I want to ask you, who is stopping you to be as you are, as you want to be? Who is stopping you?
I'm holding myself first.
At least itna to jaan paya na.
Uh-huh.
That much you recognize na.
Yeah.
So then only thing is I need to work on myself. What are the assumptions? What are the fears? What are the conditioning is really I am carrying? Okay. Second thing, look what happens when you when you take some weight on your shoulders. If it's paining, you are not able to move. Whose assumption is that this weight I can hold it? This much weight I can carry. Whose assumption is that? It's your assumption only. Now you are saying that no, I am not able to move. I want to be free. The thing is that what are that weight, that conditionings we are carrying that need to be examined about life, about money, about relationships, about what is right, what is wrong in life. So the many things we concluded. Who said that you will die at 60? Why you are concluding half life is over? So much conditioning. Let this conditioning, this burden of these assumptions come down. Let us ask ourselves, am I giving real, first thing in this course we ask this, are you really giving value to yourself? If someone we evaluate, for example, if some relationship is so valuable to you, you take care of them or you neglect them. If any object is valuable to you, don't you take care of it? Now, if myself is valuable, for me, I am valuable, then will I keep on harming myself with unnecessary appraisal, unnecessary emotions, thoughts, that, or I take care of myself? First, as an identity, fix that. Second, please wait for more proposals in this course, and I will come last day. Then I will ask you. Let me see how much load is unloaded.
Thank you, sir. And I think with time, I mean, time heals things. So
no. Effort, time is one of the factors to heal the thing. Okay. These things needs to be evaluated.
All right.
Time won't heal the thing. With the time, the pain comes down.
Yeah.
Okay, it will be there if it is thing. When there is a that is a kantana, when there is a something goes into your palm, you need to remove it, na? With time, it won't go. You need to remove it. If something, some thought, some feeling is really there, it will come back some other time. With the clarity, with the effort, you need to work on that. With the failure, you get the lesson what not to do, not what to do. With the clarity only, you will develop that. There are so many assumptions we are carrying that really not working for us. That's the question you need to ask. What is the assumptions is not working? This filter really helps in that sense. The self-exploration process is really powerful. Madhuri ji.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for listening.
Hello.
Madhuri ji, please go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, before sometimes here is shown a circle, the circle which indicates individuals, family, society, and nature.
Hmm.
But I want to erase two circles, family and society. Because I think that the nature can't interrupt my life, my emotions, and I'm not fit for this world. Yes. And I
what's the
think
wrong
that
this
the
family
earth
and
is-
society did to you?
I feel that it's just too artificial. And truth is not here.
Okay, family and society is too artificial,
Yes.
you think?
Nature is truth. Nature is
Nature is the true. Okay.
yes.
So where are you living, madam, right now?
In UP,
UP.
Uttar
No,
Pradesh, Hardoi.
no, in Uttar Pradesh, where? Like,
Yes, Uttar Pradesh.
where? Which place?
From Hardoi, Lucknow.
Lucknow. Okay. In Lucknow, where?
Hardoi.
Okay.
District Hardoi.
Okay. In that place, where? What is the exact place?
Balamau.
Okay. In that place, where exactly?
Exactly.
In your
In
house
my-
only, na? First.
Yes, in my house.
You are not on the road, na, now?
No.
Is it artificial or real?
But
No. I just
now
answer my
in
question
my
first.
home,
Please. Is it artificial or real?
artificial.
Is it? Okay. So
I feel the family members, if they are not here, I'm very comfort. I feel comfort.
You ask yourself, is it really artificial or really there? My birth is really artificial or there? I'm eating food. Is it artificial or there? And the clothes you wear, this internet, is it artificial or there?
No, it is not artificial.
Real only, na?
Real.
So hence there is some society, there's someone who is doing all these things. Hence there's a family, someone produced me, someone brought up me, someone providing something, na? So it's real, madam. So all the stages are real. So we need to understand the reality of that, what is real. Okay.
Shiva, I think.
Sir, namaste, sir.
Namaste, how are you?
Very good, sir. Happy to see you here.
Yeah, thanks.
Please.
So I think when she's using the term artificial, she may mean something else. I think there is a language, the choice of word might be different. So she might be meaning different thing by the term artificial.
Sir.
I think we should try to understand what she actually mean by artificial.
So she can unpack. Sir, you tell me, sir, what you got it.
Maybe she can tell in Hindi if she's comfortable.
Artificial means लोग अपना हर्ट नहीं एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, जो वो होते हैं एक्चुअली वो नहीं शो करते हैं.
ठीक बात. तो आर्टिफिशियल का मतलब मेरी शिवा जी जो माधुरी जी कह रही हैं वो ये नहीं है कि वो एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन वो जैसे हैं वैसा नहीं दिखते. there is some deception, you know,
Yes.
lack of truth, सत्य का ठीक व्यवहार नहीं करते हैं, honestly behave नहीं करते हैं. I think she does not mean they don't exist. They do exist, but they don't show the real views, thoughts, intent. शायद ये मतलब है उनका.
They are not showing it, or they are not showing as I expect.
Yes. I accept means I accept but ऐसा नहीं मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो मेरे जैसा बिहेव करे अकॉर्डिंगली मी, बट जैसे कि वो है, जिससे कि मुझे हेल्प मिले कि वो कैसे हैं वैसे मैं बिहेव करूँ.
नो, वो लोग हेल्प करें मुझे, ये किसका अपेक्षा है?
मेरी.
हाँ. Now you are saying that they are not living like that, isn't it?
Yes.
नहीं, मैं एक उदाहरण लेता हूँ हिंदी में, शायद स्पष्ट हो कि कहने में जब रिश्ते में होते हैं, घर के अंदर या घर के बाहर कोई सा भी रिश्ता हो सकता है, बोलते हैं अरे भाई तुम्हारे बिना तो काम नहीं चलेगा, तुम तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो मेरे लिए, तुम तो मेरी बेटी जैसी हो, तुम तो देवी हो. लेकिन जब कुछ करने जाते हैं तो ना बेटी याद रहती ना देवी याद रहती, बिल्कुल उल्टा करते हैं. तो शायद है ना, वो कहना कुछ और होता है, करना कुछ और होता है. शायद ये वाला मामला हमारे साथ रहता है. तो नकली जिंदगी जी रहे हैं, ऐसा कहने का तात्पर्य लगता है माधुरी जी का. माधुरी जी, ऐसा ही कुछ मतलब है आपका कि हम सब समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं बस.
Yes.
Right, sir.
No, in that it's a classical problem, Madhuri ji. Okay. But उन लोगों का जो लेवल है ना थोड़ा बड़ा है. But take it, let's reflect on our own life. How many times we are doing what we say that I will do it?
Many times I feel जब ऐसा हैपन होता है मेरे साथ तो मैं सोचती हूँ आई एम नॉट फिट फॉर दिस वर्ड, आई एम नॉट फिट फॉर दिस वर्ड. हो सकता है इस वर्ड की क्वालिटीज कुछ और मेरी कुछ और है, मैच नहीं हो रहा है कुछ.
नहीं मैडम, ऐसा नहीं है. लाइक कुछ लोग ऐसा होगा कि they might be their competence is too low, they are behaving the way they are behaving. Now we will unpack in relationship sessions, we will unpack certain kind of proposals where you will get much clarity. But at this point, I want to give a proposal to think about it. Now, should I decide how to, who is should I understand that that person, like as sir said, bolta ek hai, karta ek hai. If the other person is like that, the problem comes from if they are very close people, like you are every day you need to engage them to do that. So if someone is in office, you may not have that problem. So these are the real life classical problems. So my question is that now that's the problem in front of you. You want to deal with that, or you want to conclude that everything is an artificial, everything is I am not fit for it. That choice, that to handle that, you want to deal that, isn't it? If I want to deal with that right now with my, do I have that enough competence to deal that right now? Is the circumstances, however I may have the competence, sometimes you don't have that power, that other person competence may be too low. There are many factors into it. But what helps us in any given situation is that asking this question, what is my role in this situation? What matters to me? Whatever I'm doing, why I'm doing. We'll do a small short activity and in a couple of minutes after taking the other question. Let's see what it comes out of it. Whose desire is there to live in that family with that other person? Is it my desire or not? Today is my, I need to be there. But after 5 years, where I should be? you need to ask this question, that what matters really to me. I think that is opens up new possibilities. The moment you conclude that Jindagi aisa hi hai, these people, I am not fit for it, for these people, that I am also like, I know we've been conducting these programs and we also living in the same society. I also wondering that where is this different kind of people? Kaha nahi mila, madam. The degree varies, that's all. More or less people are like that. Both the kinds will be there, but someone is very less competent, someone has some more competent. Let's see, don't close it, let's open it since it's a day one, but ask this question, what really matters to me?
Yes.
Hmm?
I work.
Don't close it, let it open it, everything. Let's see what
Yes, sir.
emerges to us.
Yes. Thank you, sir. It helped me very much.
Sir, I have a kind of a similar question. So, in this real world, you face many people. There would be many more or less more than positive people. You have to face so many negative people or so many fake personalities. Okay, you have to face them. And I'm kind of a person wherein if I see any trust issues, I cannot talk to them. Or if any people, if any person who tries to cheat me or who tries to say negative about me, I cannot, because the facial expressions easily comes out. Okay, I cannot happily talk to them. I cannot happily speak to them. I cannot, try to face them. So is that the right approach? Because most of the almost maybe for their living or not whatsoever thing, they have to behave like that. They are like that. People are like that, as you rightly said just now. So what is the right approach? Do we have to face them, or do we have to ignore them? So if we ignore them, how many people we have to go on ignoring? So, and I also believe in that in your life, only the family would be going to be with you, not the society, right? So the family would be supporting you, the family would be helping you. So, but more than the family, but we are, if we have to live with the society also, and we have to face them, right? So what is the right approach? That is what I'm trying to understand or trying to ask you.
So Shilpa ji, valid questions, but give me like 36 hours more, like 48 hours, I think. Day after tomorrow, early morning, relationship starts. Today and tomorrow, it's about us. It's my thing. Okay?
Yeah,
So
sure,
is it okay?
definitely.
Let's wait.
Definitely, I'll wait. I'm actually, I wanted to find out my answers. There are, I have only, which is bothering in my life. I get frustrated only because of these kind of people. If that is, I'm sorted with that. If I get the answer, maybe I have some anger issues only because of this. So maybe my anger issues also would be controlled if I get the solution for this.
So you will leave this space with much better state of mind. That much I can assure.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
So let's do a quick thing. Is there any question? Anyone is there? Other than that, like we will do a small activity.
There's just an observation, Shivaji.
Sir, please, sir. Go ahead.
I think she's expecting an answer from you. I think you will disappoint her because you will never give an answer. He has to find answer. That seems to be the approach of I could hear since morning and now. So,
sir, tell me, sir. For you, what is your shirt size or pant size or whatever that physical, like take few examples. What you like, what you eat. Should I decide, or should I draw your attention to some possibilities so that you decide?
In my case, I want to decide.
Huh. So if you want to decide, then this one situation, okay, I will say something. But tomorrow in life, there are 10 other similar situations which you encounter. This solution, what I give, may not appeal to that in life. So what this particular dialogic approach, what in this Jivana Vidya, what we are trying to say is that you will be able to decide what matters to you in the given situation, or as consciously as possible in the given choices you have. This is the bet, this when we say every human being innately he wants to be swatantra. That ability to nurture that ability is more important, or making the other person dependent on someone else's right answers. Which one is better, sir?
When there's an emergency, I would like to, and there's no time to think and decide, I will.
Then definitely.
Then I'll seek quick answers from someone. But if I have time, I would like to find my own answers.
Yes, yes. So this Jivana Vidya is not at all give any answer to immediate problems. If you want to, your health is upset right now, you won't get anything here. But if you want to nourish your body, you want to be healthy, definitely some proposals will be here. It's like that. For immediate contemporary problem solutions in my life, I think when we are worried to to give answer that because when I talk to you, you are narrating an incident. I am listening to that. It's not the complete representation of what is going on in your life. You just sharing your version of that story. Now I listen to with my perspective that now I give something, I will tell something. We need to ask that, is it really relevant, or how far it is relevant? So in that sense, sir, if it's the health is the goal, not the treatment, immediate treatment, this method works.
Yeah, that's true. I agree. And I think Shilpa ji may get her expectation right. Shiva will never give answer to you.
No, I will, but I will, but in the form of proposal. I cannot.
Yeah, let us go ahead with the exercise which you are saying.
So we have few minutes. I request everyone to hold pen and paper. So every session we will do something with pen and paper. So I request all the participants, please. It's like total we spend 7 days, 1.5 hours. Like it's a 12 to 15 hours time. I request everyone, think it's an investment. You attended many workshops, many things. Try to give it full self, so that something it emerges in this journey. So I request everyone to take a pen and paper. So please write that your wishes, what you want in one word. Let's see how many it's coming. Like I need a bike, I need a car, I need a good house, I need my children to settle well, whatever you wish, small or big, just keep on writing. At least try to write a page or 2 pages. Please, everyone, take the pen and paper. Start from morning to evening, what you do, your close circle, as a personal, what I wish, with my family, what I wish, in my profession, what I wish. No problem, Sunita ji. Please write. Let's see how many it is there. Small or big. Please write it so that we do some activity. No, Mahendra ji, there are many. I am asking your wishes, not your what you need. Wish means wish, chahat, or my wants. Let me use another word. My desires. मुझे ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए.
Okay.
अभी डिनर भी चाहिए ना? We want to eat some food.
आज लंच हेवी हो गया था. Okay, I got it. You want the small desires that make up the one big one.
Small or big, write everything, whatever it comes to your head.
Okay.
Just write 2 pages. That's the target. At least 2 pages. Request everyone to put it on paper. It would be fun. I really enjoy tomorrow morning. We'll use the same list tomorrow morning, again tomorrow evening.
Someone is asking tentative time when the today ends. When this session ends today.
Sir, formally we end at 7. If you have any questions, we feel free to take few more minutes extra.
They put it in chat box, sir. Sunil Gupta.
So it's a 6 to 7, sir, the formal official time. And if any participants have some pressing questions, we will spend more time.
Sir, I have written around 2 pages and I actually had few things now. So is it okay if I leave?
Yes. Please leave.
Okay.
If you're done, it's 7. You can leave. If any questions you have, I'm here for 10 more minutes, 5-10 minutes more.
Yeah. So is there anything more to this activity or?
No, if you are able to write 2 more pages extra, please go ahead, write it. We use this list tomorrow morning to understand some central concept in our life.
And can we populate this list even after, like when we?
Yes. If possible, try to fill that book what you're carrying.
Okay.
If it comes.
Yeah.
If it's not coming, it is really saying something to you.
Yeah.
If that list is not going many, if this list is repeating itself again, then it's saying something to you.
Right.
Let's see experientially what it comes out. Somewhere we heard, na, desires are unlimited, resources are limited. Somewhere in economics we might have heard, na.
Yeah.
Have you really verified that statement? Now we are verifying that.
Okay.
We'll see that belief, है ना, कि क्यों ऐसे सोच रहे हम.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
I
Thank you
got
for raising that.
Thank you.
Please, I request everyone, if it's possible, please go on writing it.
Okay.
If someone is struggling, please at least 2 pages. 2 pages is minimum. But believe me, this activity help. Personally, I can say a few years, a decade ago when I did it, it really, really helped me to see something experientially, not conceptually.
Sudhita Gedupudi is asking something in the chat box she wrote.
Sunita ji, can you unmute and
Activity
ask?
2. Activity 2. What is activity 2?
Yeah, I mean, the activity 1 is to list all our desires, right? The activity 2, I wasn't quite sure as to what is expected out of that.
Can you read it out?
Sure. 1 second, please.
Process of self-verification. Explain.
The activity 2 says, do a
Activity
critical
2 is-
evaluation of your priority, time, effort, energy allocated for physical facilities, relationships, right understanding. So what is actually expected out of us?
So
Yes.
you think about it in a day, 24 hours is there, na?
Yeah.
In your time, how much time it is going to earn money or some acquiring some material?
Okay.
How much time it is going to relationships, the emotions, the feelings you fulfill with the other?
Okay, so basically a division
much?
of your hour, I mean, a 24-hour period, how much you are devoting to all those 3?
How
Okay.
much time you are spending to develop yourself, your knowledge about
Sure.
yourself and your surroundings?
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Just think about it. So in a day, how much time, where it is going?
In the second, may I ask?
Amita ji, please go ahead.
Hanji, though the Sunita ma'am asked just now, we can also write the time we spend with ourselves also in a middle.
Yes, yes.
Relationship with others as well as myself.
Yes, yes.
Both can be written over there, na?
So you are spending time with yourself means you want to develop the knowledge about yourself.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. My emotions, my feelings.
Yes.
I'm an introvert.
That's the one more category, na?
I'm an introvert and keep with myself always most of the times. So the most of the times go there.
Yes, yes. It's for your own check.
Okay.
So that if you think about it, tomorrow when someone proposes something, you connect it very quickly.
Okay.
Sir, I'm Padmaja Shastri. I have a small question.
Madam.
Actually, I don't seem to have that many desires to fill 2 pages, so I don't know what to do.
No, please.
I've struggled with 1 page.
Like to stretch yourself, like small or big. Okay.
I know there I can't seem to think. Actually, I can summarize it in 2 sentences. So 1 page itself was too long.
So so what you want, na? So what you desire for, you need to ask yourself time by time. Now you are here. Why you are here?
Yeah, I'm here for one of those 2 sentences to improve my relationships with the immediate family, that is my mother and daughter, especially my mother.
So to improve relationships is the one desire.
Correct.
To whom? Only 2 people, or there are many people you are encountering?
Yeah, only 2 people with whom I need to improve. It's great with everyone else.
So write all these things. Na? Now it's a people thing. Now what else you need to do to improve?
I want good internet connection so that this session doesn't break in between.
Yes, that's what sir is saying. This and one more thing. And I want dinner after this class. Now I need to go and cook the dinner. It's my want. Na? I want to do that. I want to eat. There are many wants. Na?
Okay. No, are you talking about, I mean, general wants and desires, or just for this particular time and all that?
I am not giving any specifications.
I need a blanket to sleep or that sort of thing.
Please write it.
Okay.
I'm just said the desires or wants. Whatever it comes to your mind, put it on the paper.
Yeah, that's what. Nothing much is coming to me.
So now you start with blanket. How many things you come? Just look at it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Basically, it is general. Whatever comes in your mind, just write down without thinking it is going to fulfill or not. That's what I think you meant.
When you are writing, feeling little awkward, don't worry. Because we never done that. But it's fun. It's fun.
It's interesting, quite interesting.
You will see that इतना चीज है मेरा दिमाग में.
जब मैं छोटा था मुझे याद है मेरा एक सपना होता था कि सारी सड़कें ऐसी बने जिनमें ढाल ही ढाल हो, साइकिल पे पैडल नहीं चलाना पड़े. I very clearly remember that desire. All roads should be downhill.
And I right now I want that this session at least go for 2 hours because it is going interesting as the time passes.
No, madam, like Q&A, we will spend much time. The morning, because people need to go for their offices and that, we put the hard stop. But
It is desire, sir. It is just desire. We are not going to do it.
So, sir, you can, if there's no questions, we can close the session. Please do this list and think about those questions. And that short video by Professor Ganesh Bagaria ji, it helps you to recap what Suman discussed morning.
Thank you, sir. Nice talking to you.
Thank you, madam. See you tomorrow morning.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, namaste.
Sir, namaste, sir.
Thank you,
Shiva, one thing. It appears that there was some message which was sent on this exercise, probably on WhatsApp group.
Oh.
Because there was a list of, somebody was mentioning about 2 exercises, right?
Yes.
I am not on WhatsApp, so I request, if possible.
No, we will mail it. We will mail it.
My email. Yeah.
Every day we will mail it.
I'm not on WhatsApp, etc.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So that I don't miss what you want us to do.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank
Definitely. Sir. Okay, Srinu, can we close? Okay, everyone, good night. See you tomorrow morning.
Goodbye, sir.
Good night.
Definitely.